And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's come to that time you've been all waiting for the whole afternoon, and that of course is to watch the absolutely fabulous show, I'm sure, of the Red Arrows. And we're so delighted that you're back here again. Introduce to you today's commentator for the Red Arrows, Mike Lee.
Well, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Squadron Leader Mike Ling, I'm Red 10, and I'm the ground supervisor with the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the Red Arrows. So I'll be talking you through this afternoon's display to get your eyes and cameras pointing in the right direction. You're about to see a display takeoff at the front. You just see moving now Reds 1, 2 and 3. Just behind them, Reds 4 and 5 who are about to hop airborne and join with Reds 1, 2 and 3 quickly at the back. Reds 6, 7, 8 and 9 will be joining into box formation to form a diamond just after takeoff. As the aircraft reach 6,000 feet or 1 mile above us in the sky. When they get to this height, the aircraft have slowed down to about 150 miles an hour, where the jet's controls become less responsive and the pilots work hard to maintain that Diamond 9 formation. Red 1 is Squadron Leader Jim Turner. It's his second year leading the team. He was a wingman with the Red Arrows from 2005 to 2007. The majority of our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side. On the leader's right wing is another of our first-year pilots. That is Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. Ollie used where he flew on quick reaction alert duties, protecting our airspace. In the middle of the left-hand wing is the last of our first-year pilots. Where you've seen close formation with all 9 aircraft flown in a rather dynamic fashion. We're now going to change the tempo of the display as we show you how this jet can perform. Enid, go right, Jippo, go left. This is the 5-4 split. Enid, stay with us now. You'll see Reds 4 and 5 move forward to form a shape called Leader's Benefit. to our left, look directly to the front. Get your cameras ready for Jippo and the detonator. Here they go. Using Jippo Pass. There's a lone jet, that is Red 9. He's now going to fly in between Enid's V in the Goose. 1,500 feet. And as the smoke comes on, the synchro pair draw their heart. Now keep looking to the top left of the hearts. Here comes our Team Cupid, who is Red 8. He's now going to draw a spear through the heart with his white smoke. Red 8 is Flight Lieutenant Ben Plank. It's his 4th year with the Red Arrows. He's a former Harrier pilot, and last year he was the leader of the synchro pair. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready for the chorus. Now look to some formation. Red 1 now twist this loop through 90 degrees towards us in a quarter clover. Now get your cameras ready. This is the vertical brake. Python. You can see the smoke has turned white. We produce the smoke by injecting regular diesel fuel into the aircraft's 400-degree engine exhaust. Here they come, Red 6 and 7 upside down. Give them a wave as they fly past, boys and girls. The inside pilots perform tight rolls to the outside of the formation in the rollbacks. Around 6 and 7, who perform their own rolls and split in the Jippo break. Please, a big round of applause for the synchro pair. Here we go then, ladies and gentlemen. You can see red 5 smoke has also run out. He's used his 5 minutes of white smoke during the display. There he goes, red 8 just puts a bit of white smoke out, and then red 9 sees that that smoke is drifting from left to right. So the first aircraft past us is red 8, Flight Lieutenant Ben Plank. Please a big round of applause. Just behind him, red 9, Flight Lieutenant Mike Child. Next past us is red 2, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. And just behind him, red 3, Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson. And here are the crowd favourites. It's red 6, leader of the synchro pair, Flight Lieutenant Chris Lyndon Smith. You've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows!
Actually, at the today's equivalent to all, there's always something a bit too nasty in it. Blue Brothers. Hello. Who are you?
Alongside the 200, it's 200 today.